In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your projects using the Kanban system on your existing board. Whether you're a Kanban novice or have some experience, this guide will help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive in. To start, open up the board you want to manage using Kanban. It's essential to choose a board that already has tasks or items neatly organized into groups or incorporates a status column to denote the various stages of your workflow. Having the structure in place is crucial because the Kanban method revolves around visualizing these stages as distinct columns. Next, you'll want to add the Kanban view to your board. Locate the plus add view option situated at the top left of your board interface. Clicking on this will present you with a list of various view options. From this list, select Kanban. Doing so will transition your board view, providing a more streamlined and user-friendly interface that highlights tasks in a columnar fashion. Once you have the Kanban view added, it's time to set up your Kanban columns. Look at your status column that's already on your board because you'll need to map it to the new Kanban columns. Each status, such as to do, in progress, and done, will become a defined lane in this Kanban setup. This transformation is the bread and butter of Kanban methodology, offering a transparent visual representation of your tasks at their respective stages. Now, you're ready to move items across these stages. One of the most convenient features of the Kanban view is its drag and drop functionality. Simply click on a task or item and drag it into the relevant column that corresponds with its current status. For instance, as you begin work on a task, move it from the to-do column to the in-progress column. When the task is completed, shift it into the done column. Keep in mind that any changes you make on the Kanban board will automatically synchronize and update the corresponding details on the original board. This ensures consistency across your project management tools without any redundant work. Finally, it's important to remember that the Kanban view is highly customizable. Tailor it to fit the specific needs and requirements of your project. You can tweak the visual settings, adjust the column positions, or reorder tasks to better align with your workflow. Customizing your Kanban board not only makes it aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances usability, making it a more effective tool for managing your projects. By following these steps, you'll transform your board into a dynamic Kanban system that provides a clear picture of where your projects stand, what's in progress, and what's finished, ultimately driving your projects to success with enhanced clarity and efficiency.